It all began in a tiny garage in Palo Alto, California. Two young engineers, Bill Hewlett and Dave Packard, were working late at night, surrounded by wires, tools, and big dreams. It was the year 1939, and the world was a very different place. There were no personal computers, no internet, not even color TV. But these two friends believed that technology could change the world, and they wanted to be part of that change. They didn't have much money, just $538, their total savings. But what they did have was a shared dream, a table they built by hand, and the courage to start something completely new. And that's how the story of HP, Hewlett-Packard, began. Bill and Dave met while studying electrical engineering at Stanford University. They quickly became friends because they both loved to build things: radios, circuits, anything with electricity. They also shared the same idea: technology should make life simpler and better for everyone. After college, they didn't want to work for someone else, so they decided to create their own company, right there in a small wooden garage behind a simple house. That garage would later become the birthplace of Silicon Valley, the heart of technology today. Their first invention wasn't a computer. It was something small but powerful, an audio oscillator, a device that created clean sound waves. They called it the HP Model 200A. They spent weeks testing every part, fixing mistakes, and sleeping very little. Even used parts from old radios to save money. Then something amazing happened. They received their first big order. It came from Walt Disney Studios. Disney needed reliable sound oscillators to test the audio for a new animated movie, Fantasia. HP's invention worked perfectly. Disney ordered 8 units, and that changed everything. With that one sale, HP was officially in business. Their first customer was Disney, one of the most creative companies in the world. And it was just the beginning. After their success with Disney, HP began to grow. But Bill and Dave didn't just want to make products. They wanted to create a company where people loved to work. A company that respected ideas, creativity, and honesty. That's why they created the HP Way. It was more than a slogan. It was their philosophy. It meant treating employees like family, listening to them, and always focusing on innovation that helps people. While other companies were strict and cold, HP felt different. People there felt free to think, to experiment, and to try new things. And that culture made HP one of the most creative companies of its time. In the 1950s and 60s, HP grew rapidly. They made scientific instruments, calculators, and later, computers. One of their biggest achievements was creating the HP 35, the world's first handheld scientific calculator. For scientists and engineers, it was like magic, a small device that could do complex math anywhere. Then came printers, another HP revolution. Their printers became so popular that soon they were in homes and offices all around the world. HP wasn't just building machines. They were building the tools that helped other people create, design, and dream bigger. Of course, success didn't come without problems. As technology changed, HP had to compete with new companies, new ideas, and a faster world. Sometimes they made mistakes, and not every product was a hit. But they never lost their core values: innovation, teamwork, and respect. When Bill Hewlett and Dave Packard passed away, they left behind more than a company. They left a culture, a way of thinking that inspired generations of engineers and dreamers. Even today, HP continues to evolve, from computers and printers to new digital solutions and sustainable technology. The company may look different now, but its heart remains the same. It's still about curiosity, creativity, and helping people through technology. From a small garage and just $538 to one of the most successful technology companies in the world, HP proved that the biggest dreams can start in the smallest places. It all began with two friends, a shared vision, and the courage to try. They were Bill Hewlett and Dave Packard. They were HP, and this is their story.